I'll just say a small message. I'm glad that these things happen. We've been struggling and trying to fight the scourge of crime. And I'm happy to stand here today to say, thank you very much, MMC. MMC has heard my cry. I've been crying, saying, let's do something. We are here to serve our communities, and we are here to make sure that our communities are safe. So, to the army that I see in front of me, gentlemen, we will work together. We won't sleep. And to all the organizations that are radical in terms of crime fighting, we will work together. Konabazayo, Yizo is coming, the last battalions are coming, Tatasonke are coming. So everybody that is fighting crime, we are speaking the same language. So Ngubonga kakhulu, and thank you very much, MMC. Thank you very much to the city. Mayor, you've done a good job by appointing this gentleman. Thank you for the voters.
No, Mayor, there are many people who've been dragging us on Twitter, Barry. We are not working with Xolani. Xolani, I think one of the operations, we went into Hillbrow, and then there was a success. We came out with drugs. That man is not a joke. I wanted to go and test if what people are talking about is a joke. So I went with the undercover unit. We accompanied him, and then we went into one of those places there, Mr. Mayor. And the way that these gentlemen are working, I know that they've stepped in other people's toes. Wenzeni uXolani? Wenzeni? Umuntu ebezinikela nje efight crime. Bayambamba nje, bayamachuza. That's how you are being silenced. We hope that Nathi Mayor, because we are derived from that, the SAFES Act, we will work together with our colleagues in all disciplines. This is not a competition. I want to put it out there, Major General Marsha. It's not a competition, but a working togetherness so that we can fight crime. The citizens of Johannesburg have been crying for this unit to be formed. Our people are getting killed on a daily basis. Our people, when they go to work in the morning, the thugs, they rob them and they kill them. So it means that the criminals have declared war on our communities, and we shall respond. Any thug, any criminal that is pointing a gun on police officer or any member of the community, we are going to shoot to kill. We will not hesitate to shoot. This squad here has been mandated, very simply, not to negotiate with criminals. We'll shoot to kill. Because at this point in time, the thugs and criminals have the guts to even hijack and kill police officers. The criminals nowadays, they have the guts to go into a police station and rob a police station. Maslibe, Tstotsi is going to run now. So we need to look into that, Mayor. It's going to be very, very hectic. It is going to be very hectic. We will be called controversial. We are going to be called killers. But the criminals have declared a war on our people. I don't negotiate with criminals. I don't. I have no business nenga nenga nama criminals.